Join me today as I reveal the ultimate recipe for crafting the perfect sticker using Midjourney and refining it in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, in order to utilize Midjourney images for commercial use, you do need to be a premium subscriber. Here's what the subscription options look like. I personally use the standard plan because 15 hours of fast GPU time is more than enough. First, let's head over to Midjourney. We're going to use the premium subscription personal bot as always. If not, you can head over to the newbies rooms. Today, let's create a nature style sticker that will look good on a water bottle. In the prompt, we always start with /imagine, and we're going to put a snowy mountaintop at sunset. After you put in what you want, we can add these keywords for the best results: sticker, vector, cutout, and white background. These have been the best keywords I've used to make sticker creation as efficient as possible. You could make a sticker out of any design, but when we go over to Photoshop, I'll show you why these keywords make it the easiest and most efficient for creating a sticker. Cool, so let's upscale one of these and prep it for the final product. I like how this turned out, so we're gonna save this image to our computer and bring it over to Photoshop for the final touch-up. To save, you click the image, open in desktop, and right-click to save. So we're gonna bring that saved image over to Photoshop, go to Open File, find your image. Now we can start editing the image. First, you want to long hold the object selection tool so it brings up the quick selection tool. Then at the top, we'll click select subject. Photoshop will select what it thinks the subject is. Doesn't always get it 100% right, so you can adjust by adding in parts you want to include and taking out parts you don't want to include with the plus and minus tool. Once we're done that, we're going to mask the image. And as you can see, we have our sticker cut out. Now the last thing we need to do before we save is resize. In this case, I'm uploading this to my Redbubble storefront, and the recommended dimensions to cover all size stickers are 2800 by 2800 pixels. Click OK. Then we're going to save the image. This step is crucial because you must save it in .png format. So change that if it already isn't selected. The reason you need to use PNG is because it gives it that transparent background when you upload it to Redbubble. And that's it. You have a transparent PNG file of your sticker to upload. If you want to see how I upload these to Redbubble, you can check out my last video as I give a quick tutorial on that as well. As always, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what video you guys would like to see next.